Hey, I'm Satya Kumar. I go to Northfield High School, and here's my ball tracking robot. This is my third milestone, and the third milestone was to get everything together and start working. And here's my Pi, my H bridge, my breadboard, and my power bank. Power bank connects to the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi connects to the breadboard, which connects to the H bridge. And then these two, and then the H bridge connects the two motors together. It kind of acts like a switch, which switches the direction and the polarity is going, so it can switch directions. As you can see by the video, it works, and it work. Main essential thing is a Pi camera, which I talked about in my last milestone, which I was doing. And essentially, what I did for the Pi camera was I masked everything in the background to black and white. So basically, I turned the code from um, BGR to RGB to H2V, which essentially to HSV, which essentially made the background white and the background black and the ball white, and this helped with the tracking. So, for example, like when this would see a ball which was over here, it would turn and it would start going forward. And one essential thing, like a big thing that I put in my code, which helped this work, was that um, I thought of it as like I thought of the actual frame, which was the width was 640 pixels. So I divided that by two, which was 320 pixels, and I subtracted like 40 from it. From like I've added and subtracted 40, which would be um 280 and 360. So I had a range between, if it's either between 280 pixels and 360 pixels, go straight. And if it's less than 280 pixels, turn left. Or if it's greater than 360 pixels, turn right. And this essentially helped with the tracking. And I called this ball center, which was like as you saw my second mouse on the circle, I called that center. So if center was over here, if center is less than 280 pixels, turn this way. If center is greater than 360 pixels, turn that way. And this played a big role into performing my robot. A big challenge was honestly like first like it would go and then like it would turn around to turn around 360 degrees and then go straight. A big reason why I did the turn around, keep turning left, was because suppose if the ball was right over here, it would keep turning left until it would find the ball and then would start going. So as I was saying earlier, like it would turn all the way left and it would go forward for a second, then it would turn all the way left. So and a big reason this was because my loop was way too long because I put all the code into that while loop. I mean, into that if loop. So it would have to go through every single line, and then it would go again, and every single line, then it would go again. So that's why it would keep going, like it would go in a circle, then go straight, go in a circle. So that's why I implemented a bunch of while loops, which helped smoothen it out, and it would start following the ball much more better. And my milestones is that I'm hoping that I can add something that's like Jarvis from Iron Man into this. So like I speak into it and then it gives me something back. So I'll be like, "Hey robot, um, what is the weather today?" And then it would tell me. And how I'm planning to do this is if I'm like trying to do like a Chat GPT API thing, and I already made the code for it, and I ordered a microphone and a speaker, so I'm gonna speak into it, and it's gonna do all its code stuff. It's gonna talk out, and it's gonna be pretty dope. And then another thing is I'm hoping to implement human tracking.